Welcome. In today's video, we are going to learn about and OR operator. These both operators have their own unique purposes. First, we talk about AND operator. The AND operator execute if all the conditions are true. For example, I created a variable name and input it from the user. And I created a variable age here. Age must be in integer form, that is why I'm using integer function here, and inside integer function a message from the user. Alright, I created two variables. Now if I use if condition here and name is equals to my name here, AND operator, and age is equals to 20. Alright, then I print condition is true. Now if this condition is not true, then the else block will run here, and in else block I print condition is false. Alright, now if I run this program, you will see if in these two conditions inside if statement name and age, if any condition is wrong, then it moves toward else statement, because if statement becomes false. Now for example, my name is correct and I press enter. Now if I input my age incorrect, for example 22 incorrect age according to the program, now I press enter. Now you can see condition is false. Why? Because my name is correct here but my age is false. Now if I again run this, and this time my name is wrong and my age is correct, if I press enter, now again the condition is false. Why the condition is false? Because this time my name is correct, name is wrong but age is incorrect. So that is the condition. In AND operator, both the conditions must be true. If I again run it, and this time my name is correct and my age is also correct, then I press enter, then the condition is true. So in AND operator, both the conditions must be true, otherwise if statement will false. Now instead of AND, if I use OR operator here, now OR operator, in OR operator, if any one condition is true, then the whole overall condition is true. Now if I again run this program, this time by using OR operator, now if in my input I input my name is correct and my age is wrong here, now you can see condition is true. Why? Because in OR operator, in these two conditions, any one condition must be true. Alright, if both the conditions are false, then the condition is false. You can see condition is false. Why? Because both the condition are false. That's why if statement becomes false, then it will execute towards else statement. Now if I again run this program, and this time I input my name correctly but my age is incorrect, as you can see here, now you can see condition is true, because as we discussed that in OR operator, in these two conditions, any one condition must be true. Alright, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.